today I'm going to show you my first slow travel experience. And this is the first time when I go out for travel. As per journey, I have started from Khulna to Tangail. Now it's 10 pm. The Chitra Express has started its journey. And now the time is 3:45 am. I have left my train at East Bank station of Bangabandhu Setu that is located behind the Yamuna River and Brahmaputra River. Now taken a CNG to reach from station to Elenga that is located nearby Tangail. According to the ticket reservation rules, I have fallen a problem because I do not have the reservation. So I need to pay extra money from Khulna to Dhaka, and then I have get the seat for to travel. At 6 am, I have reached from Tangail to Mohera by taking bus. This Tangail Dhaka highway was so smooth and quite natural travel experience I had. Let's talk about the Mohera Zamindar house in short. Mohera Zamindar house was built in the 1890s at Mirzapur Upazila, Tangail District. The two brothers, Kalicharan Shaha and Ananda Shaha, traded salt and pulse in Kolkata. They made a lot of money and they came here to bought this Zamindar Bari from Zamindars of 24 Parganas, Karashia Zamindar. The Zamindars of Mohera were great philanthropists. They built a lot of schools, colleges and they did many charitable work. They built a beautiful palace on 8 acres of land and this palace known as Mohera Zamindar Bari. The beautiful Mohera Zamindar Bari was built according to the style of Spanish city of Cordoba, having similarities of Romans, Mughal and Indus Valley. And I hope you will feel good to see this palace. It's an amazing palace to visit and explore. So that's all I have shown in this video. Namaste, welcome, bye bye.